So someone mentioned the Polk XT90 in a conversation, and they said, hey, these are a real game changer if you're getting into Dolby Atmos. And I was like, okay, sounds cool. Next thing you know, I'm adding these to my shopping cart, and they were on massive spring sale, so I got them. So I'm gonna do an unboxing. I don't know what to expect. The reviews are excellent, but I figure, hey, why not bring these along for the ride? So let's crack open this thing together and see what the Polk XT90 Dolby Atmos elevation speaker. Let's see what they're all about. Hey, are they just for the hype, or are they piece of an epic home theater setup? Let's find out. So these are manufactured by Polk Audio. It's an American manufacturer of audio product and best known for its home and automobile speakers. Just gonna crack open this. Don't wanna cut into it too deep. First thing I'm seeing here is a giant manual. Seem like they're wrapped up pretty good. Not much to the packaging. Not any fancy special kind of packaging. It's just simple. A brown cardboard box. You have the speakers here wrapped up, and I'm just gonna take these out to see what they actually look like. So they're out. Nothing else in the box. And here they are. I actually like them. As you can see, there's the bold branding, Polk branding right there. And this feels really smooth and nice. I like the color to it. It almost looks like a dark grayish color. Nice piece of fabric here. The width is nice as well, quite wide. And they're quite heavy as well. I would say they're almost the same weight as the Klipsch 41 SA. They're quite nice. I'm just gonna do a little walk around so you can have a closer look at it. At the back, as you can see, speaker wire goes. The material feels solid. And this is the back. And obviously this can be mounted on a wall as well as can be placed on a front speaker for up-firing purposes. It's quite nice. But do they sound as nice as they look? I guess I'll have to find that out. This is how it looks standing side to side with the Klipsch 41 SA. Obviously the Klipsch is much longer, as we can see, and it's slightly higher, taller I would say. The Polk is obviously wider, much wider. As I said, they're probably around the same weight. I like the finish on the Klipsch. You can see there is a very refined wood finish here. This one almost look a bit plastic. Not sure what material it is on the Polk, but this is how they actually look standing side to side. I think they're completely the opposite of each other in terms of their design. I just want to pop the grill off the Polk to see what's under the hood. As you can see, it has a simple design. Just zooming a bit closer so you can have a better look. If I compare that to the Klipsch, there you can see a whole lot more going on here with the Klipsch. This speaker here and this tweeter at the top here compared to this one. Obviously, if I have to choose based on their design, I'll definitely go with this one. The speaker here on the Polk, it's not as refinedly looking as what's on the Klipsch 41 SA. So each Polk speaker houses a 0.75-inch tile-in dome tweeter. That's a material known for low resonance and crisp detail highs. Pair that with their carefully tuned waveguide design, and you get precise elevation effects that don't just add sound, but also add space. The frequency response on these speakers range from 100 Hz to 22 kHz, which is ideal for Dolby Atmos effect. And at 4 and 8 ohms with a sensitivity of 89 decibel, they're super easy to drive, meaning that even mid-range AV receivers can power them effortlessly. These work excellent with the Polk series home theater speakers, but they can literally work with any other speaker set for home theater purposes. As you can see, it sits well on my LTAX front speaker. So these can be used as up-firing speakers, as well as wall-mounted, just like the Klipsch 41 SA. Even though you might have missed out on the recent Amazon spring sale for these speakers, they were literally cut in half. So I was lucky to get one from the last 3. But they are very widely available across various shops and stores. So if you shop around, I'm sure you can get one at a much cheaper price than what was on Amazon. This has been another unboxing of the Polk XT90 3D Dolby Atmos height speaker. They're stylish, compact, universal, and most importantly, based on customer reviews and what I was told, they do deliver. Don't forget to give this video a like, drop a comment if you have tried them or if you want me to compare them to another set. Until then, stay curious, stay creative, keep listening, and I'm out.